Racing just started. We have Nise. First to show quickness at the start. And on the outside, Idol Borong. Running by the rail comes Premier Pair. Moving up for the outside is Mapagmahal. Abateka is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader Nise. Moving up down on the inside is Premier Pair to take the lead. Idol Borong Mapagmahal getting the wide strip as they make the first turn while Abateka is still racing in fifth, and as they swing down the back, we have Premier Pair by our length and a half. Nise in second, Idol Borong alongside third, then down in fourth now is Mapagmahal. Abateka is still racing in fifth, half mile distance they traveled. We have Premier Pair maintaining a length and a half lead. Nise in second, Idol Borong remains in third, Mapagmahal is down in fourth, running by the rail now is Abateka. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Premier Pair Nise in the middle portion. Idol Borong is sorry outside. Abateka, Mapagmahal still rising in fifth, plus 400 meters of the race. We have Nise takes command. Idol Borong is sorry outside, and as they swing for home, we have Nise, Idol Borong are fighting out for the lead with about 150 meters more to run. We have Nise this time by about 3 lengths. Idol Borong remains in second. Abateka is down in third, and finally it's going to be Nise, Idol Borong, Abateka, Mapagmahal. Then comes Premier Pair.